All right, so we're going to quickly look at gold here, and I'm going to explain why it is very likely that gold is actually going to be pulling back very soon. So you look at the gold chart here. This is a weekly, by the way. You notice that we are on the 8th consecutive week of an upswing, right, in a trend up market. The main reason behind why we're seeing this huge spike in gold is because of increased geopolitical tension, risk, and a lot of volatility, right, with the trade war going on. So commodities like gold are seen as safe haven assets for investors to kind of pile into during times of uncertainty. But given that it's already gone up 8 consecutive weeks back to back in a row, I want to show you guys statistics on what has happened when this has taken place in the past. This has only happened once in the last few decades, since 1970s, where gold has had an 8-week run straight back to back. Notice after the 8th weekly gain, historically, so 1 week out, we see no change. It starts to get pretty negative when we start hitting 4-week outlooks and 10 weeks. So can gold go higher next week? It could. It's just very unlikely because it has only happened once, okay? 8-week streak and 9-week streak since 1970. If it were to be a 9th consecutive green week next week, it doesn't really make a big difference because you'll notice that the forward outlook for 4 to 10 weeks, it's bare minimum 5% pull down all the way down to 15% correction. So given this basic fact of how gold has played out in the past after similar back-to-back consecutive runs, it's safe to say that it's a pretty high chance that gold will actually come down rather than go higher up, especially when you look at the options market. In the trade room, we're starting to notice a lot of basically out-the-money put short-dated contracts being bought.